Hey guys, so they brought my parcel. I was not at home. They dropped it nearby, close to my house. I went to collect it from them. So without wasting time, let's unbox it. Let's see what is inside. Hey, this one will take time to be able to piece. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh, it came with this. Thank God. Thank God. So we have to piece it together. This one, instruction. Instruction. Okay. So. Oh, okay. Yeah, guys, I'm done. I have never faced all this kind of thing before. Like, now my husband did do all this kind of work. I will just have to leave him. Anytime when he come back, he go fix some whenever I get time. So I told myself you can do it. So I just have to follow the instruction. It was confusing because I just have to calm down, concentrate, and here we go. My guy come back today, go shop, go say, you sure say now you fix some? I did it. Thank God there is proof. This is the video I made, so there is proof. I fix it myself. With the help of this. I'm so excited I did this. This is my first time. Oh my God. To see what I can do without my husband being at home. And I tried, so here we go. So guys, I also ordered this because of dust. Yeah, I don't want to bring out my shoes, so I'm going somewhere then to be full of dust.